Today I'm going to do a solar panel install on my Wildwood X-Lite travel trailer. These are going to be placed directly to the battery, and as you can see, they'll work in cloudy or daylight weather conditions. They do 1.5 watt output, 110 milliamps, which will keep the battery charged. That way I can unhook my shore power from the travel trailer and use my extension cord for something else that I choose to do. I picked these up at Northern Tool for right around $25. They're on sale right now, and we're going to check them out and see how well they do. For this install, I removed my cover off of my LP tanks to get better access to the battery, and I already removed the cover from the battery and getting ready to do the install of the solar panel. Once you unpackage the solar panel, this is everything that you get. You get some alligator clips, you get a cigarette lighter or power port charger, and you also get the solar panel with 4 suction cups. Now, take in mind this is a twin kit, so you get 2 of these solar panels, so you can put one on an RV or you can put one on a boat. Anything you need to charge up without having to hook the shore power, this should keep your battery maintained and charged up very well. I installed the alligator clips and ran my electrical cable out to the top of the box, and I've already got the cover back on the box and it's already strapped down, ready to install the cover back over the LP tanks and use the solar panel suction cups to mount the solar panel to the RV. As you can tell, the cord that comes with the solar panel itself is probably about 6 to 8 feet long, which means you can mount this solar panel on top or on the front of the RV or any other place that you see that you need to install this unit for it to perform to your specifications. So I placed my solar panel directly on top of my cover for my LP tanks, just to keep it here for maintenance purposes, where it'd be easier for me to get to instead of mounting it on top of the RV. That way when I leave on a trip or need to move my camper, I can just disconnect the cable from the battery box to keep the solar panel in the truck with me, or keep it in the side compartment of the RV. That concludes our installation of this solar panel. I will post an update in a few days to see if it charges good and see what kind of voltage we keep out of it.